You are watching my YouTube channel English with Alishan. Today we are going to discuss our second stanza of the poem Oh Where Are You Going? Today we will first of all translate the stanza. After this we try to explain this stanza. Let's start our stanza. Oh, do you imagine, said farer to farer. Oh, do you imagine? अरे क्या तुमने तसव्वुर भी किया, क्या तुमने सोचा भी है? डू यू इमेजिन, डू यू थिंक, क्या तुमने कभी सोचा, क्या तुम तसव्वुर भी करते हो? सैड फेरर टू फारर, फेरर ने फारर से कहा। तो लास्ट स्टैंजा में हमने, अगर आपको याद हो, वहां था रीडर ने राइटर से कहा। अब यहाँ पर फेरर और फारर है। फारर होता है, यहाँ फारर से मुराद पोइट है और फेरर से मुराद यहाँ पर एक और अनदर इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर है। फेरर, फेरर कहते हैं डरने वाला, या हम इसे डराकू कह सकते हैं। डराकू ने, डरने वाले ने, फेरर पोइट यानी के सफर करने वाला मुसाफिर से कहा, क्या तुमने सोचा है? अरे क्या तुम सोचते हो? क्या तुम्हें फिक्र भी है? क्या तुम्हें तसव्वुर भी है? कौन कहता है? फेरर टू फारर। डराकू ने मुसाफिर से कहा कि तुम तसव्वुर भी करते हो, तुम्हें पता भी है, तुम सोचते भी हो। That dusk will delay on your path to the past. That dusk, dusk mean night time, darkness, अंधेरे को कहते हैं, तारीकी को कहते हैं। ये तारीकी, ये अंधेरा will delay, तुम्हें देर करा देगा। On your path to the past, तुम दर्रे के रास्ते पर जब जाओगे, तुम अपनी मंजिल पर जब जाओगे, तो रास्ते में शाम पड़ जाएगी, अंधेरा हो जाएगा, तारीकी हो जाएगी। तो इसमें भी जो फेरर है खुद डरा हुआ है और वो पोइट को भी डराने की कोशिश करता है, डिमोरलाइज करता है, उसे रोकने की कोशिश करता है, उसे थ्रेट और फ्राइटन करने की कोशिश करता है। और इसलिए वो कहता है तुम दर्रे के रास्ते पर न जाओ, तुम दर्रे तक जब पहुंचोगे रास्ता तवील है, लंबा है, और इसलिए तुम्हें शाम हो जाएगी और उसकी वजह से तुम्हें देर हो जाएगी। You are diligent looking discover the lacking. You are diligent, तुम्हारी जो चुस्ती है, फुर्तीले जो तुम नजर आ रहे हो, फ्रेश जो नजर आ रहे हो, तुम बड़े एक्टिव नजर आ रहे हो इस वक्त, क्योंकि अभी तुम सफर करने लगे हो, स्टार्ट करने लगे हो। लेकिन जब तुम ये सफर कंटिन्यू करोगे, क्योंकि ट्रैवलिंग जो है, जर्नी है, बड़ी लंबा सफर है, उसमें हार्डशिप्स आती हैं, तकलीफ बहुत ज्यादा है। लेकिन जब तुम, अभी तो तुम्हें ये फ्रेशनेस नजर आ रही है, बड़े एक्टिव दिखाई दे रहे हो। जब तुम तवील सफर करोगे, तुम जब लंबा सफर करोगे, तो तुम्हें रास्ते में क्या मिलेगा? लैकिंग, तुम्हारी इस फ्रेशनेस में लैकिंग, कमी आ जाएगी, फुकदान आ जाएगा। तुम्हारी जो ये डिलीजेंट है, तुम्हारी जो चुस्ती है, फुर्तीली है, जो तुम फुर्तीले नजर आ रहे हो, एक्टिव नजर आ रहे हो, इसमें क्या हो जाएगी? लैकिंग, क्या हो जाएगी? कमी हो जाएगी, फुकदान हो जाएगा, तुम्हें सुस्ती महसूस करने लगोगे, तुम लेजी हो जाओगे। नेक्स्ट लाइन में कहता है योर फुटस्टेप्स फील फ्रॉम ग्रे नाइट टू ग्रास। वो कहता है जो तुम सफर करने जा रहे हो, तवील सफर है, रास्ते में तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? घास मिलेगा, ग्रेनाइट पत्थर मिलेंगे। इस सेंस में वो कहता है रास्ता तवील है, पत्थर वाला रास्ता है, पथरीला रास्ता है, कंफर्ट नहीं है, सुकून नहीं है, इजी नहीं है, आरामदेह नहीं है, बल्कि खारदार रास्ता है, झाड़ियों वाला रास्ता है, पत्थरों वाला रास्ता है, रफ चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं, इसलिए तुम्हें वहां पर नहीं जाना चाहिए। और एक और सेंस में वो इस तरह भी इसको ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं हम, सॉरी, कि तुम जिस रास्ते पर जा रहे हो, तुम जब वहां पहुंचोगे, तुम्हें वहां पर कोई चीज नहीं मिलेगी तुम्हारे लिए जो फ्रूटफुल होगी, जो मुफीद होगी, बल्कि तुम्हें वहां पर सिर्फ घास फूस, पत्थर, गंद, कबाड़, कूड़ा किरकट तुम्हारे कदमों में वही चीज मिलेगी। जो चीज तुम तलाश करने के लिए जा रहे हो, तुम्हें वो चीज नहीं मिलेगी। तो इस स्टैंजा को हम ऐसे ट्रांसलेट करते हैं। Now we are going to explain this stanza. तो हम देखते हैं इसमें in this stanza, this is the second stanza of this poem. In the last stanza we have seen that this poem is basically an imaginary based poem, imaginary dialogue based poem. In this stanza there is also two type of character. One is farer, other is farer. Farer means poet, farer denotes poets, बल्कि जो फेरर है, it is another imaginary character. Farer is a cowardly person, बुज़दिल शख्स है. He is an active people, but the father is active people. He has strength to do something. He does not have strength to do something. He is pessimistic. The poet is optimistic. There is a conflict between two type of character. One is optimistic, other is pessimistic. In this stanza, poet tells us that the Pharaoh asked to father, या आप इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं, the Pharaoh tells to Pharaoh, do you imagine about this type of journey? Do you think about this journey? Have you seen that? Have you noticed that? Have you do before this type of journey? In this stanza, he says that, do you think about this journey? You have to know that this journey is based on different types of hardships. That is why he says that when you continue your journey, you have to see that on the path to the path, you should face darkness everywhere, because that path is very lengthy. When you start their journey, you have to feel that there is darkness everywhere, and due to night time, due to darkness, you become late on his path. That is why I already tell you that you should not go there. This type of word is saying, who is saying? Pharaoh to father. Pharaoh says that this path is very lengthy and you should not go there, because when you start your journey, you have to see that there is darkness, there is a night time everywhere, and due to this darkness, due to this night time, you will become late. That is why he is saying that you should not go there. In the next line, he says that your diligent looking discover the lacking. In first of all, when he start his journey, he is looking very fresh, he is looking very active, because it is the start of the journey. But when he continues his journey, after some time, he feels boredom, he feels laziness, because when he starts the journey, when he faces the hardships of journey, when he faces the many type of hardships of journey, the activeness, the freshness of the poet will change into laziness, and this type of freshness and activeness will start to lacking. उसमें कमी आना शुरू हो जाएगी. And further he says that when he reach to a specific place, we can say that when the poet reaches to that valley and the poet feels some type of granite and grass there, because that valley is full of stone, that valley is full of garbage, that valley is full of rubbish type of thing, that valley is full of bushes. That is why he says that when you reach there, he sees nothing there, a valuable thing, he sees there nothing, a valuable thing, a useful thing there, and he feels everywhere granite, some kind of stone and bushes and hard type of grass is presenting there. And further he says that we assume the meaning, further assuming of this line is that when he reach a specific place, he doesn't have water, he doesn't have food, because this is the hardships of journey, traveling. That is why he says that this is a not easy journey, because when he continues his journey, he faces the lackness of water, he feels the lackness of food, he feels the lackness of comfort. That is why Pharaoh is always continuously writing to the father, because due to all these hardships, you should not go there. Pharaoh advises to the father, tells to the father, he suggests to the father, he advises to the father, you should not go there, because that place is full of garbage, full of rubbish type of material, and there is also prevailing the night time there. There is also prevailing the darkness to the path of the past, and that all type of reason, due to all these type of reason, he suggests himself that he should not go there. He stops to the journey, he stops from the journey, because this journey is full of hardship. But poet says that, poet says to the Pharaoh, he should not attention, he should not give the attention to the talks of Pharaoh, to the communication of Pharaoh, because person wants to struggle in his life, person wants to face the hardships of life, he wants to become a successful man in his life. That is why he continues his journey. But poet is optimistic, but Pharaoh is pessimistic. Due to the nature of pessimistic, he also stopped the poet from the journey, from the to face the hardships of journey. This is a second stanza of the poem. When we see about the rhyming scheme of the stanza, we have to see that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is B, because second and fourth line have a rhyming word. These rhyming words create a beautiful musical flow. That is why we can say that a rhyming scheme A, B, C, B. This is the rhyming scheme of the poem. In this stanza, produces different images to clear his point of view for the audience, because this is the conflict type of ideas for the reader, but poet wants to do his best by presenting different ideas and to clear this point of view. And we can say that poet uses in this stanza very simple language, poet uses very beautiful words. The style of the poet is also very beautiful and wonderful. I hope कि आपको इस स्टैंजे की ट्रांसलेशन और एक्सप्लेनेशन समझ आई होगी। तो इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।